Hello, everybody. So today is session number 5 around the colors and the way that we're dealing with the coronavirus confinement. And as promised, today I'm going to talk about the good day, bad day for each color. The way that we're going up and down, probably all of us, during the confinement. Good day, good mood, waking up on the wrong side of the bed or the good side of the bed, all of that. So I prepared this mat and I'm going to go through it, around it, and explain to you from each perspective how are we dealing with a good day, bad day. Starting with the blue energy. So the blue energy people are thinking, okay, I'm confined here for the next month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever. So in order to move ahead with that, and in order to take advantage of that, I need to organize myself. Because logically, I cannot do anything else. So how can I take advantage of it? And how can I create the process for others at work, with the family, with friends? How can I create a certain process to take advantage of time? As you see, my body language is very straight and my way of thinking is very logical and step by step. This is how the blue energy looks like in a good day. Now, the green energy really wants to connect to what does that all mean, and they want to connect to their friends, to connect to their family, and actually call them and see how they're doing. Probably they need some support. Maybe I need some support as a green energy person, and I want to make other people feel comfortable in the situation. As you see here, the body in general, the body language is more relaxed. And what I care about is how to make myself and others comfortable with the situation. Now, the yellow energy goes like this: is how can I really take advantage of the situation? Really, it's so exciting, it's unfortunate, but I can create things, you know. I go around the house and create new things and come up with the new ideas for the kids, for myself, for the work. How can I engage others and really make them energized all the time? As you can see, all the focus is on creativity and positiveness, and the body language and the voice is really on the hyper side. The red energy, on a good day. So, guys, we're all in this together. We need to support each other and we need to achieve, because the more we achieve, the more we are going to really feel good about it and not waste time. I know that we're not as productive as usual, but that does not mean that we shouldn't be productive. So let's go ahead and do it. You can do it, I can do it. We're gonna do it together. As you see, the body language is stiff in a good way. The eye contact is direct and the hand gesture are very assertive. So on a good day, this is what different color energies look like. Okay, now how about on a bad day? How do they look like? I'm gonna do another video in order not to prolong one. So see you on the other video.